What are constants in algebra? Why are they important? Have you ever wondered what makes certain numbers in math stay the same while others can change? Let's dive into the world of constants in algebra and uncover their role. In algebra, a constant is a value that does not change. Think of it as a fixed number or symbol that holds a specific value throughout a mathematical expression or equation. For example, in the expression 5 times x plus 2, the number 2 is a constant. It remains the same no matter what value x takes on. Constants can be whole numbers, fractions, decimals, or even special numbers like pi or e, which have set values. Sometimes, constants are represented by letters like a b or c when we know the value is fixed but not immediately specified. Now, how do constants differ from variables? Variables are symbols that representing values that can change. In our earlier example of 5 times x plus 2 is a variable because its value can vary. Meanwhile, 2 is a constant since it does not change. So, why are constants important in algebra? First, they provide a stable reference point in expressions and equations. This stability helps us understand how variables affect the overall value. Without constants, it would be hard to make sense of the relationships between different numbers. Next, constants help define specific equations or functions by fixing certain values. This allows us to solve for unknown variables. For instance, in the quadratic formula, x squared plus bx plus c equals 0, a b and c are constants that help us find the roots of the equation. Constants also appear in many real-world situations. For example, the number of days in a week is a constant. Similarly, the dimensions of an object can also be constants. These fixed values help us model real-life scenarios mathematically. Understanding constants makes algebra more approachable. It clarifies which parts of an expression change and which parts stay the same. This distinction is essential for solving equations, simplifying expressions, and applying math to everyday life. In summary, constants are the backbone of algebraic expressions. They provide stability, help define equations, and appear in various real-world contexts. By grasping the concept of constants, learners can build a solid foundation in algebra and tackle more complex topics with confidence.